A Great Student Indoors by Shaniqua Cooley, first year seminar, Hostos Community College. All about Shaniqua. Born and raised in New York City, I went to Norman Thomas High School in Lower Manhattan. I currently attend Hostos Community College and major in liberal arts and science. My desired career path is the education field. I currently work as an assistant teacher at a preschool in Harlem. I have learned that a liberal arts education can help an individual become a well-rounded professional. Liberal arts offers students the opportunity to explore their curiosities and venture down various career paths. Studying the liberal arts can help an individual acquire soft skills that are required in all professional careers. A liberal arts education can expose a student to various aspects of society in the forms of art, literature, science, and real-life experience. One of the main things I learned in this course this semester is that a liberal arts education is very important. Liberal arts education is a gateway to various career paths. As you can see from this graph, after graduating with a liberal arts bachelor's degree, you can venture into many career paths, ranging from sales, marketing, office administrative services, education, human resources, social community and religious services, accounting, taxes, financial services, food preparation and services. There are so many career paths you can take with a background of a liberal arts education. I also learned this semester that New York City is one of the greatest cities in the world. A New York state of mind, what makes a city great? This semester I've learned that New York City is great because it has a lot to offer to anyone of any background. The city's greatest attributes is its diversity. That is why New York City is considered America's melting pot. Not only is the city famous for its diverse culture, but its beautiful historical infrastructure, such as Grand Central Terminal and the Brooklyn Bridge. A New York state of mind, most influential New Yorkers. Some of the most influential New Yorkers are Alexandria Cortez, Spike Lee, Jay-Z, and Jackie Robinson. Shaniqua's future plans. I envision myself becoming a certified New York City elementary teacher. I plan to give back to the same community that helped create me in the form of educating the next generation of great New Yorkers. I will complete my liberal arts education at Hostos Community College, with hopes to move on to a senior college within New York City. This is the end of my presentation. A great student indoors. I'm grateful for my experience at Hostos and of the support from all my professors. My contact is shaniquacooley@gmail.com. Thank you.